Hello friends, I'm Prachi and once again I'm here to do EFT. So today's topic is stress due to business. This video is for all the businessmen who are suffering in their business, who are facing some kind of stress, sales is not happening, clients are not converting. There is a lot of stress when you do business. You are dealing with so many people around and because of that you face this stress. So today let's tap on releasing the stress that you face in your office as a business owner, as a CEO, and let's do it. So as we see in EFT, there are some acupuncture points. So let's revise those points and let's do EFT on that. So first point is hand point. So as you see, you can tap on this point, this portion you have to stimulate. Second point, eyebrow point, side of the eye, under the nose, chin point, collarbone, chest point, top of the head. So take a deep breath. Just think about all the stress that you are facing in your business. On the scale of 0 to 10, just feel what is the stress that you're facing. Close your eyes and just guess what is the level of stress that you're facing on the scale of 0 to 10. So let's tap it out. Whatever may be the intensity that you are facing, after doing EFT, it will come down. Okay, so let's do it. Even though, just repeat after me whatever I say. Even though I feel really stressful because of the business that I'm doing, still I deeply and completely love, honor and accept myself in this situation. Even though I'm feeling stress in the business is not growing the way I want, sales are not happening, I am really feeling frustrated, I am really irritated, I am really angry because things are not moving the way I want, and I feel stress about my business. Even though I feel this stress, still I deeply and completely love, honor and accept myself in this situation. So tap on the eyebrow point now. This stress, all this stress because the business is not growing the way I want. All this frustration because the business is not going the way I want. All this anger because I am not getting what I want from my business. I am really frustrated and I am really angry about because what I had expected is not happening. All the expectations that I have for my business, my turnover, it's not happening the way I want. All this stress. Tap on your chest point. You can tap on any one side. All this stress, all this anger, all this frustration, all this irritation that I experience every day when things are not working out. Every day I want it to work out, but it is not working out. Every day I feel it will be different. My sales will increase, but it is not. I get really frustrated. I don't know what is the future of my business. All these negative emotions, all this stress is blocking my business growth, is blocking all the creativity that I can put in my business. As a business owner, it is blocking my potential. It is blocking the leader inside me. And I want to awaken that leader now. Even though it's not happening the way I want, in this very moment, it is temporary. It is just a temporary phase of my life. Maybe I need to learn some skills. Maybe I need to find out more creative ways to grow my business, to do marketing, to deal with my employees. Maybe this is a sign from the universe that I need to learn more skills as a business owner. I need to learn, I need to grow, I need to come up with more creative ideas. I need to expand my horizon. I need to come out of the old patterns. I need to come out of my old ways of marketing. I need to come out of my old ways of handling people. I need to be more skillful and more compassionate towards people around me, towards my employees, towards my partners, towards all those people who are helping my business to grow. I just need to change the way I look at my business. I just need to invoke the powerful leader inside me. I don't need to sit and crib and complain that it's not happening, it's not happening. Maybe this is the right time to upgrade myself, to change myself, to reinvent the way I'm doing in my business, to reinvent myself, my business culture, my marketing strategies, the way I operate, all the things. I just need to change, and change is the only way I can become successful. The more I change and upgrade myself, the more I become successful and satisfied in my life. I just need to release it. Holding on to all these negative emotions, to all this stress, all these are blocking me to get more in my business. So I choose to release out all these negative emotions, all these distractors, all these thought patterns, all these beliefs, all these negative emotions. I just need to let go. I just need to feel free of it. I am letting it go. I am ready to let it go now. I am feeling free of it now. I am releasing it now. I am releasing it now completely. Release, release, release. Release, release, release. Release, release, release. I am releasing it now completely. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay. It's fine. I choose to look at the greater perspective for my business. I choose to be more positive, more creative, more powerful, and I choose to invoke the great leader inside me. I just need to let it go. I am becoming more powerful. I am becoming more creative. I am becoming more calm and composed. I am becoming more and more powerful. I am becoming more and more calm and composed. I am becoming more and more confident about my business. I am becoming more and more open for all the ways, for all the paradigms through which my business can work successfully. I just need to release it. I am open and I am giving myself permission to receive new ways and strategies to do my business. I am open enough. I am open to all the possibilities of receiving more and more in my business. So friends, just check the intensity, how you're feeling, what you're feeling now about your business, what is the stress levels, what is the frustration, what is the irritation, all the stress level, it must have reduced to some extent. Friends, so when you learn EFT, when you do EFT, you can bring down all these emotions to zero. You can move from -10 to 0 to +10 to wherever you want to go, whether it is your business, life or relationships. So friends, if you want to learn EFT, do subscribe to my channel and subscribe and share to as many people as you can. Thank you so much.